Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add cars to your favorites on the DoneDeal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, select a car, tap on it, and tap on this heart icon at the top of the screen. If you go back to the previous page by the help of this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on the My Profile section, tap on Saved Ads, and here you're going to see all of the added items to this section. If you want to remove it from this list, tap on the Remove button. And as you can see, it has been removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.